If you clone the repo as per below in the links, what we're going to do is we're going to do a visual regression test on two images. This is one that works. This is how it should be. But when we've done a screen grab, should we say like in Playwright or somewhere else, I've added in both an arrow and a dot here. And we want to test whether these two match. And we're going to test by pixels and percentage difference. What we're going to use is we're going to use pixel match. Here's the code as well as the GitHub repo, which basically goes through how to do it. And we can see expected, actual, and it can give us a differential to show where there is a difference between the two and various different forms. So with these two images, screenshot 1 and screenshot 2, what we'll do is basically run visual regression here. And as you can see, it's working through. We'll look at the code shortly. It's comparing the two. And it's found that they differ by 50,000 pixels out of a total of 2 million. Percentage difference is 2.12. And through our assertions, we've just deemed them to be different. And when we look at visual regression in here, basically we're using the code as supplied. And at the very end, what we're doing is just working out if the number of pixels is less than what we're sending through as a difference, if it's more than 100, or if it's different by a percentage, then it basically returns not equal. You can obviously customize this as you wish. And also what it's doing is it's printing two files. One, just the two images, and I'm using a random number at the end. You can see that here. So basically it's highlighted the differences. It's marked them. It's marked them as being different. And then it's kind of done a differential to pick out what's the difference between the two. So when we come down here, you can customize the code as you wish. But basically this will test between two different images. And you could do that in your PyTest. You can obviously differentiate the function between it's got to be percentage difference or just pixel differences or combination of the both. They must be the same shape, size images, otherwise they're obviously going to be different. And we have our requirements. So yeah, with that code in there, that works fine. We get our differential image of these two, and our screen one had our screenshot 2 had this and that little thing there. And you see the difference match, that's there. And when we do this one here, we can see that that's been sort of highlighted. And there's the difference between the two from the pixel match. And I've just named the file as we wish and just added on a random integer so we don't overwrite them. So that is visual regression. And you can use that well with Playwright, capturing screenshots as you're doing your end-to-end testing and checking that your site's not got any visual errors.